In this video, let's understand what the compliance report conveys in iManage Threat Manager. The compliance report gives you visibility into those users in the organization that are not complying with organization policy of saving content in the DMS. This represents a risk, as users may be filing content on local machines or unsanctioned repositories. When you click on the compliance report, it's automatically run for all users and gives you visibility into those users that have not filed any content across the last month. You can reverse sort the report and see the users who are heavy DMS users. The Documents Created column represents the number of documents created in the past month. The Emails Filed column represents the number of emails the user filed. The Clients and Matter columns represents the number of clients and matters the user accessed documents across. The Activities column represents the sum of all the compliance, indicating activities like view, print, export, mail, check-in, etc. that indicate the user is interacting with the system. You can run this analysis for any combination of users and groups. Let's pick the litigation practice group that contains all legal users in the litigation practice. You can run this by office location. Let's pick the group that represents legal users in the Boston office. All the users and groups you see come from iManage Work. You can filter the report. Let's filter the report by all users who engaged in less than 10 compliance-indicating activities. The date across which the report is run can be changed. The report can be exported to a CSV file. This report is typically handed to the training function with the goal of following up with the users. For more advanced users, this information can also be exported to generate trending reports of adoption over time. iManage Threat Manager compliance reporting is a simple but effective method of protecting your business by understanding how your users work. In this video, you learned how to view non-compliant users, how to filter your selections to refine your results, and how to share the report with the concerned for further actions. There is a lot more you can do with iManage Threat Manager. For further information about iManage Threat Manager, visit iManage Help Center.